Hi everyone, welcome to our home. Over the years, Nick and I have had many artist receptions at Gallery 7, and people have often said to me I should write a book of my recipes. So I'm not going to do that. These aren't my recipes, but since we have so much time on our hands with the pandemic that we're going through right now, I thought maybe I would do some videos of my favorite recipes. This one is shrimp salad in a phyllo cup, and it's super simple. So these are the ingredients. All you need are 2 cups of cooked shrimp, a half a cup of finely diced celery, and 1 tablespoon of minced green onion, which is also known as a scallion. And for the dressing, we're going to mix a half a cup of mayonnaise with half a teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. So the first thing we're going to do is mix up the shrimp, and I'll show you what consistency is good for that. I buy frozen shrimp. You could take the time to boil it yourself, but I just do frozen. And I pulse it just to make sure I don't overdo it. I might do a little bit more. So that's a pretty good consistency. You just want it to be, smushed up a little bit, not too mushy. So we're going to put that into our bowl. And I have taken the time to already dice up the celery and the green onions. So we're going to mix in the shrimp with the half a cup of finely diced celery and a tablespoon of green scallions. Okay, and that's that. And now we're going to just make the dressing. So we've got half a cup of mayonnaise. Let's see. It's my first video, so bear with me. Okay, half a cup of the mayonnaise. This is pretty messy. Okay, and then we're going to put in 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice. The pepper, the salt. And we're just going to mix that up with a whisk. Just till it's really well blended. And then we are just going to add it right into the mixed salad mixture. I like to get it all. Okay. All right, and then we just mix that up really well. And then we're just going to put this in a container. You can probably, put it in the fridge for a few hours, but I like to do it overnight because I think that the flavors meld really well together if it's overnight. Okay, so we're going to put this in the fridge overnight, and then tomorrow we're going to finish it off. Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to finish making our shrimp salad in our mini phyllo cups. So we let the shrimp salad sit overnight, and I think the flavors will be melded together nicely. I usually put it into a strainer and just around with a spoon a little bit because there's some liquid in there and you don't want to get the phyllo cups soggy. So you do that, put it in there, and then as a second measure, I like to put it onto a plate with paper towel, just like you would with tuna fish. Just gets the extra layer of liquid out, like that. And I forgot to tell you yesterday that when I said this, you want about 2 cups of shrimp, just buy a pound of shrimp and that should give you 2 cups. I'm going to put the recipe in the post, and the recipe says you can make your own phyllo cups, but I don't do that. So I just go to the store and I buy these, and I can make 45 appetizers with that amount of shrimp salad. So we're going to take one of our cups. I take a little spoon and I fill it up like that. It's pretty with all the colors. Now you could garnish this with something green like dill, but I don't do that, but you could. And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you how I plate it. And here they are. I like to put them on a bay leaf. I think the greenery gives them a pop. And this is a perfect appetizer with a nice white wine. Bon appetit.